Take command of the road in the 2006 Chevrolet TrailBlazer. Top features include a split folding rear seat, front and rear reading lights, automatic temperature control, fully automatic headlights, a trailer hitch, rear wipers, and cruise control. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Chevrolet also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.